Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to send money from Botim to bank account. So guys, the first step, open your Botim account, and then what you have to do guys, click this option you find withdraw here and click the found your fund here. And after that guys, choose your amount you want to send. Click this by the send option. After that guys, what you have to do, just click the amount, for example 1000 AED, and click transfer and enter your detail account you want to do transfer and complete your payment process easily. This is how you can do transfer. And if you want to withdraw money guys, just click your Botim Pay account and to your bank account and click withdraw on mini wallet, and then enter your IBAN number, read the information, and make sure guys you'll be charged up to 2 AED to withdraw your funds to bank accounts. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.